Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 9 of history where we are studying about development of regional cultures. Dear students, in previous module we studied about the development of languages and literature, and in this module we shall study about the development of paintings and music in medieval period. So let's begin with the discussion on painting. Dear students, the glorious tradition of painting in India was continued in the medieval period. The Ajanta monuments in Maharashtra and the Brideshwara temple boast of beautiful paintings. Throughout the medieval period, palm leaf manuscripts were often decorated with colorful paintings. Dear students, a tradition that developed during this period was that of miniature paintings. As its name suggests, miniature means small paintings, which mostly done in watercolor on cloth or paper. The earliest miniatures were on palm leaves or wood. These paintings flourished under the patronage of the Mughal rulers. Dear students, Akbar established a royal studio called Tasveer Khana. There were more than 100 painters in Akbar's royal studio. Jahangir and Shah Jahan also patronized highly skilled painters. They generally painted in brilliant colors. They portrayed court scenes, scenes of battle or victory, hunting scenes, etc. Portraits and paintings of animals became more popular. Dear students, due to Aurangzeb's dislike towards paintings, the royal patronage declined and painters migrated to other regions. As a result, some of the regional kingdoms evolved as a great centers of painting. For example, the courts of Rajasthan, Kangra, and Deccan. Dear students, nature was the main theme of the paintings with tree forms, singing birds, foliage, and rivers bring common subjects. The Himalayan foothills had developed a bold and intense style of miniature painting that was called Basoli. The Kangra school of painting was also established. Kangra artists developed a style that took miniature painting to a higher level. The main features of this school of painting were the use of soft colors, including cool blues and greens. These miniatures were preserved in palaces for centuries. Now we shall discuss about music. Dear students, music also flourished during the medieval period. Many new musical instruments like the rabab and the sarangi were introduced during this time. The Bhakti and Sufi saints played a very important role in the development and promotion of music. The Sufi tradition of Sama led to the creation of a new style of music called Qawwalis. Amir Khusro was an expert musician who developed several Persian Arabic melodies or rags. Dear students, he also invented some of the musical instruments like sitar, tabla, and dholak. The Delhi Sultans and the Mughal rulers were great patrons of music. Dear students, Firoz Shah Tughlaq's reign saw the translation of the Indian classical work Rag Darpan into Persian. Akbar patronized one of the greatest classical singers, Tansen, who created many regional rags. Apart from Tansen, Baba Ramdas, Bezu Bawra, and Surdas were renowned musicians of that time. Many new forms of music were also introduced like Tarana, Dadra, and Thumri. So, dear students, that was all about this module. We shall continue this chapter in next module. Thank you.